In this one, let's quickly understand how a remove operation is implemented on a single linked list. So simply we will write one method called remove. Ultimately it will take the index and it will remove the node at that particular index and it will return the node that we have deleted. So obviously we have the nodes from index 0 till the length of the linked list minus 1, right? So the first scenario is if user passes any other value which is not part of this range, we will simply return null, indicating that it is an invalid index. Now, if the other scenario based on the functionalities that we have already implemented to reuse them, if the index that is given by the user is 0, that means we are trying to remove the very first value itself. That means it is nothing but a shift operation. Simply call that function, return whatever that function is going to return. If that is not the case, if user passes the very last index, that means that we are trying to remove the tail node, which is nothing but the pop operation. So we will simply call the pop operation and we will return that. So first, last invalid indexes are done. Now we will try to handle the final scenario where if user passes any other index which is greater than 0 and less than length of the linked list minus 1. Now to remove that particular node at that particular index, what we need to do, if we can get the hands on the node which is at the index minus 1th position, the next of it, if we can assign it to node at index plus 1th position, we will be good, right? So that is the reason why first let's just use the get functionality and pass the index minus 1 and get the node at that index minus 1th position. The node at nth position, basically the node at index position is nothing but the next of it. So let's just read it, and this is the node that we want to delete, right? So we named it according to that. Now index plus 1th position node is nothing but the next of that. So it should be pointed by the node that is at index minus 1 position, right? So that is the reason why update node.next equal to node to be deleted dot next. Since I'm deleting one value, the length should be decremented by 1 and I'm doing that. In the end, node to be deleted, I am returning and I am done with the implementation.